Yo, starting the day off with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is McDonald's going less than 2 miles.
First bag is the green. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Classic no tip to start the day. Gotta love it. Total for that one was $4. We've got a McDonald's. This one's going 5 miles.
Hello, good morning.
Thank you. In all caps, it says, please do not knock or ring doorbell with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exclamation marks. 25-cent tip there, by the way. Total for that was $4 and change. Oh wow, we got the McDonald's trifecta. 3 different McDonald's in a row. This one's going 5 miles. I'm hoping this lobby's not open yet, because I don't want to get out. But I see the lights on, so it might be open.
There you go.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
You too. Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
And thank you very much.
Oh, no problem. There you are. Have a good day. Finally, some appreciation in form of a tip as well. Total for that one was $7. And we got the next one. This is Starbucks going 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $5 and change. And we got the next one. This is IHOP going 4.5 miles.
Hi, who are you picking up for?
Kelly?
Yeah. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Not gonna lie, I was kind of hoping to wait a little bit for that order because I was trying to warm up.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
So are you. I think that was the best order we've had today. Total for that was $8. Been sitting here for a little while, but we finally got the next order. This is going back to IHOP. This one's going to be going 3 miles. Yeah. Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $7 and change. Today is just really slow, apparently. It's been like 20 minutes since that last order, but we finally got one. This is 2 Walmart pickups. Actually, they got the same name, so it must be going to the same person. Either way, it's $10 going 5 miles, which is not amazing for a Walmart, but better than sitting around, I guess. Okay, as I'm waiting here, they just gave me an add-on. This is an additional $5 going 0.2 miles, so that definitely sweetens the deal. Okay, this is kind of taking forever. I'm getting antsy. I might just cancel these 2. Yeah, we're not doing this. Let's get out of here. We've got a stacked Taco Bell going 6 miles. Hello. Yeah, I had 2 pickups. I have Jalen and Ed.
Ed? This is Jaden.
Gotcha. Thank you. Oh wow. Both of those were no tips. Total was $7 and change. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $9 going 2 miles, 4 items. Okay, they gave me an add-on shopping order. This is an additional $7 going 4 miles, I think 6 items. have this. And then they go ahead and give me a Wendy's. Like, I don't care if I'm not making money. I'm not gonna do a Wendy's right now. No, thank you. Next order up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one's going to be going 8 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that order ended up being $10. It was okay. Could have been better, it could have been worse. Next order up, we've got a kitchen table cafe. This one's going 2 miles. I got it as soon as I was about to pass the restaurant, so if this isn't ready now, based on the parking lot being packed, this might be a really long wait. Let's go find out.
Can you grab that?
Yeah, we're not doing that. Okay, we got an order. It is, oh, it's a stack going to the same person. We've got Panera and Starbucks. $11 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Current time is 10:19. Current total is 73. And if I get the full tip on that last stack, then it should bring it up to like 81, 82. Anyways, I'm gonna go home, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.